Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this golden holiday inspired makeup look, which is super easy to create. But before I go in with eyeshadow, the first thing I'm gonna do is priming my eyelid with the Wet n Wild primer, and I apply this all over my eyelid using my finger. So the first shades that I'm going in with is this orange brownish beautiful color, which I'm gonna blend this all over in the crease. And this is gonna be like, the base color. This is the only color that I'm gonna apply in the crease first. And I'm using my flat brush from Bedellium Tools. And I'm just keep on blending just to make sure that there's no harsh line. Then next I'm gonna take this color, which is called Malibu from Kalichek eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna apply this all over the eyelid to really create that golden base. Then after I packed on all the eyeshadow, I'm bringing this tiny blending brush and blend it a little bit around the edges so that the matte shades in my creased area and then the shimmery shades on the eyelid, it's kind of melt together, and that doesn't look like it's really packed on. You wanted to kind of blend into each other. Then I'm taking the dark shades from Morphie 3503 palette, and I'm just gonna take the same brush from Jessup, and I'm going to apply this in the outer V area. And I'm taking the flat blending brush from Bedellium Tools, and I'm just going to make sure that there's no harsh line. Then next I'm taking these shades right here, which we'll use all the way at the beginning for all the way in the creased area, and I'm taking a tiny blending brush from Jessup, and now I'm blending it also underneath the lower lash line to kinda make the same warm underneath the lower lash line, just like we have in the creased area. So I just keep blending and also kind of focusing to make the lower lash line connect with the eyeshadow and the outer V area. Next, I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to apply this on the bottom waterline and then the upper waterline. Then next I'm taking this W7 liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply this at the top of my lash line. Then next, I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes. Then next, I'm taking the mascara from Beauty Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna apply like, tiny coat on the upper lashes and also a coat on the bottom lashes. Then next, I'm taking this Vermeer shades from Modern palette, and then I'm just going to apply this right into my inner area of my eye. So here's the final results. I really hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!